3 amazing hacks to discover the captivating art of remarketing, a powerful strategy to bring back lost opportunities and boost conversions. Hack number 1, targeting past visitors. Remarketing allows you to target visitors who have previously visited your website but didn't convert. Through tailored ads, you rekindle their interest and give them a compelling reason to return. Hack number 2, personalized recommendations. Deliver personalized ads showcasing products or services they showed interest in. By reminding them of what they liked, you increase the chances of turning past visitors into valuable customers. Hack number 3, exclusive incentives. Sweeten the deal with exclusive offers, discounts, or limited time promotions. These magical touches can tip the scales in your favor, transforming prospects into loyal brand advocates. Now you possess the secrets of remarketing magic, empowering you to unlock unprecedented success with Google Ads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and follow for more.